to Python for Fun. Today we are going to learn a basic Python program code to find the factors of a given number. Before that, let me tell you, we have a website called Python for Fun where we will be providing all the Python source codes, basic codes, and as well as projects to upgrade your skills. If you want to upgrade your skills or share knowledge or want to increase your knowledge, then do visit the link which is given in the description box. So let's not delay much and start today's topic, which is finding the given factors of a number. Fine. So before that, let me tell you, here we have a function called def, print factors of x. So what is this def? Def is nothing but a function keyword which tells the Python compiler that this is a function which we are going to write. So def is must and should when we write a function. So def, print factors, is our function name and x is our function argument. So when I say function argument, this argument must be given from the user. As here we gave num is equal to int of input, that is your number which you are giving to the function. From where you are giving? From this calling function you are giving. Okay, so you are going to call a function by print factors of num. So when I say print factors of num, the value which you give as an input to the computer, that is stored in num. So that number will be reached to x. So when that number is reached to x, let's suppose the number is 6. So when I say the number is 6, the factors are what? 1, 2, 3, and 6. Fine. So for I in range of 1 comma x plus 1. So what is this range in Python is? It is nothing but same as increment operator in C and C++ and Java. See, in C, C++, Java, when we want to go to the next value, we use plus plus operator, I is equal to I plus 1. But whereas in Python, we use this range function. When I say range function, it decrements to one number. Let's say 1 comma x plus 1. So what is my x value there? 6. So 1 comma 7. This range will not take 1 to 7. It will take only 1 to 6. Fine. So why it takes this? Because its rule is that, and it will take just one number before it. So if you want to include 7 also, then you need to write x plus 2. Did you get my point? So that is how the range function works. And now we will see how the actually logic is implemented here. If x mod I equal to 0, that means the given number and the iteration loop, first iteration loop value is 1. So 6 mod 1 equal to 0. Yes, true. Then your print value will be 1. Next, what is the next value? So how can the compiler know I should go to the next values? By using the range function. 2. So when I say 2, I value will be 2. 6 mod 2 equal to 0. Yes, it is. Then it is printed. Next comes to 3. 6 mod 3 equal to 0. Yes. So it will be printed. 4. 6 mod 4 equal to 0. No, it is not. Then it will not print. Next, go to the fifth value. 6 mod 5 equal to 0. No, it is not. Then it goes to 6 number. So 6 mod 6 equal to 0. Yes. So when I say 7, it will not, because it is only up to 6. It comes out of the loop and then print 1, 2, 3, 6 as an output. So we will see how does it work out. Okay. I'm using here. So just paste it over here. The previous one is to find the factorial of a given number, but our question is to find the number of factors. Fine. So here is the code. Fine. Now 6. So it is giving us 1, 2, 3, 6. Is it okay? Fine. 6. If you give 6 as a number, it gives you 1, 2, 3, and 6. So this is how we use the Python for the implementation of your factors. Okay, I hope you got my content. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. And if you want any type of codes or any type of projects, please do mention in the comment box so that our team will work on it and give you the best approach. Thank you.